We have two equal pieces of rope. Wait, they're not equal. Wait. Take them here. Wow. I'll see they're equal. Come on. But wait, well, now we're gonna do just one single piece of rope, and it should look something like this. There you go. Oh, come on. But we can do a bit of magic. Like this. Now we can move. See? That's one piece. Guys, we have the explanation of the trick. So we have a small rope and a big rope. So first we're gonna take the small rope and we're gonna put it somewhere just here so you will see. It looks something like this. So now the illusion is gonna start now. So now we have just covering with two fingers like this. It looks like two big ropes. Okay, so for the first part you will say there are two equal pieces of rope. Of course they're not. You're gonna take both ends and you're gonna slide the piece one, this one, the short one. Okay, so you push it and then this is you just moving it like that. Yeah, so everything is with covering your hand, right? You're covering like this, you're sliding it, you're pulling it like that, and you should be two equal pieces of rope. Now you'll do the knot with the short one. Yeah, you have the short one, you do the small knot, you have it there, and now you'll see it should be one piece of rope. You'll do the magic, and now you just slide the knot out slowly, and you show that you have one single piece. Two equal pieces of rope, and wait, they're not equal. But I will take it here, we'll do with string, pull it, and now here we have, yes, two equal pieces of rope. But now we're gonna do just one single one. I'll do it just like so. Got magic. There we go. We have one single rope. Now come on. We need a bit of. We need more magic. So maybe I can take the magic powder from here. We'll do it like here. Let's see. That's one piece of. Guys, we have the explanation of the trick. So we have a small rope and a big rope. So first we're gonna take the small rope and we're gonna put it somewhere just here so you will see. It looks something like this. So now the illusion is gonna start now. So now we have just covering with two fingers like this. It looks like two big ropes. Okay, so for the first part you will say there are two equal pieces of rope. Of course they're not. You're gonna take both ends and you're gonna slide the piece one, this one, the short one. Okay, so you push it and then this is you just moving it like that. Yeah, so everything is with covering your hand, right? You're covering like this, you're sliding it, you're pulling it like that, and you should be two equal pieces of rope. Now you'll do the knot with the short one. Yeah, you have the short one, you do the small knot, you have it there, and now you'll see it should be one piece of rope. You're squeezing it so they're not gonna see anything about the knot, and you're wrapping it around the rope in your hands, and while you're taking the knots, you're gonna take the whole knot in your hands with the excuse taking the magic powder. You do it like this, you're not taking anything, but it looks magic powder. You'll do the magic and it looks like one single piece of rope. And that's variation number 2. And this is the last way of ending the trick. We started from here, the two equal pieces of rope, and it looks a bit like this. You'll do a bit like that, you'll do the magic, and now it looks like one single piece of rope, right? No. But now I'll take it from here, I'll squish it, falls over, and that's one single piece. So you start at this point that all the two ropes are equal size, and you have this part over here. So the thing is, you have to take the small rope out of the loop, so it's outside. Okay, and now you're gonna do the knot outside, so you'll have this bit here, everything is on the cover, your hand is like that. Okay, you'll do the knot, just a simple knot like that, and that will be, and it will look something like this. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let me guys show you. So it's basically, you're here, you're taking the loop outside, and you're doing the knot just here. You're doing the knot here, Just squishing it out, and now you'll see like that. And you only need to take it from the extremes. You're pushing it a bit, and that will fold the knot over. And that's it. And that's variation number 3.